I'm lucky enough to have a very large utility sink here. This is the best way to clean, just because you got lots of room and it can get dirty, and so who cares. If you don't have a big sink like this, you could use a porcelain sink. I find those are better because when you're done cleaning, if there's a little bit of paint residue, it's easier to clean off the porcelain than it is, say, stainless steel. So, but totally up to you. So there's, cleaning a brush is pretty straightforward. Apologies for all the noise behind me. I have a fan that I can't turn off in here. Okay, so, get the brush wet. Now this is just to use dust brush, but I'm just kind of giving you the idea of how to clean. So push it down into the base. And keep doing that. Okay, and then turn it upside down. Oops, try not to drop it. Turn it upside down. And you want to do this until clear water is running out of it. Okay. And turn it around, maybe do it a couple more times. Depends on how dirty your brush is. This one's not too bad. And turn it upside down. So you're cleaning your brush out. Clean that. And then what I'll usually do is take a little bit of dish soap and kind of rub it around in there, just to help clean it out. Okay. Clean that out. Right. And then to dry it, I'll spin it. You could use a roller spinner. Roller spinners have a little clip on the end. I don't like them because they spin too fast. They cause the bristles to splay out too much. So you can just put them in your hand and do that. Wipe it out. Okay, and if the bristles do splay out on you, in other words, if they're kind of doing this, then mold it back together with your hand. Okay, mold it back together. And then I like to put it back in its cover. Okay. And that way, nice and fresh.